Hi, I'm Janet, Sound Options, and I'm the community liaison here. Today we're going to talk a little bit about caregiving. When you hear the word caregiver, you probably picture someone caring for a parent with Alzheimer's or dementia. But a caregiver can be anyone who provides help to another person in need, whether that's an ill spouse, a disabled child, or an aging family member. Currently, more than 65 million Americans provide care for a loved one. If you're among them, you already know how rewarding it can be to take care of someone who needs your assistance. But it can exact a high price, and caregiver stress is common. Caregiver stress is the result of the physical and the emotional strain of caregiving. Individuals who experience the most caregiver stress are most at risk for a decline in their own health. Many caregivers fall into the trap of believing they can or have to do it all themselves. Don't make this mistake. Take advantage of the resources and tools available. If you don't take care of yourself, you won't be able to care for anyone else. On average, caregivers have higher stress levels, more incidents of depression, and increased chances of developing health problems themselves. Caring for a loved one can be a strain even for the most resilient individuals. If you're a caregiver, take steps to preserve your own health and well-being. Someone is counting on you to do just that. For more information, visit us at soundoptions.com.